Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer, Dr. Siti Dalila. My name is Nur Natasha binti Muhammad here. We are from BA 2621C who would like to present about our last assignment presentation for subject NKT 420. First of all, I would like to say thank you for guiding us in order for us to finish this assignment. Okay, for this assignment, we need to explain about marketing mix, which are product, price, place and promotion. We have chosen the secret recipe for this assignment because we think that secret recipe will give us a lot information and will help us for this assignment. Now, let's move to the first part, which is introduction. Secret Recipe was founded in 1997 by Yang Bahagia Datuk Steven Sim, who is the owner, founder, chief executive officer and managing director of Secret Recipe. The company is well known throughout the Southeast Asia for offering a value lifestyle proposition that include excellent food at a reasonable cost and a wide selection of options. The unwavering quality of the cuisines and desserts are made using premium ingredients at a reasonable cost. Steven Sim was motivated to franchise his company after receiving favorable feedback from his customers. Since then, it has developed into one of the biggest cake and cafe chains in the area with the quickest rate of growth, currently boasting over 440 cafe locations. Secret Recipe offers fusion Asian cuisine and drinks. Secret Recipe Cakes and Cafe Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian halal certificate cafe business that have been in operation since 1997. All Secret Recipe locations provide a flavorful selection of ice cream and beverage, along with over 20 varieties of fusion cuisine, 40 cake cuisine and pastries that customer can always enjoy with confidence.
Thank you, Natasha. My name is Sofina Atira. Now I will present about product and price for company Cake and Cafe Secret Recipe. Mention the secret recipe must people know because there are different types of foods and drink, especially cake are the most customer favorite. All items they are available for purchase. One of the most popular dish is secret recipe are appetizer, but also ASEAN specific products such as chicken, pasta, dessert and pastries, all of which are always ordered by the customer. So, the first product are drinks. I will elaborate on the most popular in secret recipe. Lychee Floral Cooler RM 10 ringgit 80 sen, Tropical Green Tea 10 ringgit 80 sen and Strawberry Punch RM 10 ringgit 80 sen. For the hot coffee, there are Espresso 9 ringgit, Cappuccino 10 ringgit, Cafe Latte 10 ringgit 80 sen and also have cool drinks such as Iced Cafe Latte RM 11 ringgit 90 sen, Iced Salted Caramel Latte RM 12 ringgit 60 sen, Iced Blended Cappuccino RM 11 ringgit, Vanilla Mocha RM 11 ringgit 90 sen, Oreo Milkshake, Chocolate Milkshake and Iced Chocolate with Whipped Cream RM 12 ringgit 90 sen. But it always have local favorite where the drinks that customer always order amount at Secret Recipe. First, Iced Plum Lime Juice, Bandung Selassie RM 6 ringgit 90 sen. The signature of Secret Recipe are SR Ipoh Black Coffee and White Coffee. Both are RM 4 ringgit only. Next, ASEAN Food Classic often ordered by the customers because customer give good feedback that makes them like to repeat again order when eating at Secret Recipe. It have noodle in Tom Yum Goong RM 21 ringgit, curry mee RM 21 ringgit, curry seafood laksa, Vietnam beef noodle soup, special seafood mee mama and noodle in Tom Yum soup. All items RM 21 ringgit. Chicken satay and spicy tomato drummy are also best seller. At Secret Recipe also have two options of mushroom soup and pumpkin soup. Other than that, there are many options of salad such as curd salad, Caesar salad with salmon, crispy chicken salad and basic salad. The average price is 8 ringgit to RM 12 ringgit. Lastly, the explanation why I say that it's suited to family with kids because it also have some food to kids which are kids mac and cheese RM 15 ringgit, kids meatball and mash RM 15 ringgit and also fish and chip RM 16 ringgit. These are several of the Secret Recipe most popular and the best selling menus item that customer usually request and order. Furthermore, the price are affordable and easily available to all of you. That's all from my part. Let's continue with price and product to the Nabila. Thank you.
I will continue to explain the types of product from a secret recipe that is a consumer product. This consumer product consists of 4 parts such as convenience product, shopping product, special product and unsold product. Of course, secret recipe is a type of convenient product because usually customer will buy more often because there is a less competition and there is a buying effect. At Secret Recipe, they have offered 8 types of cake and that are very tasty and interesting, including cream cake, cheesecake, chocolate cake, signature cake, square cake, brownies, platinum collection and artisan collection. The total number of cakes sold in the Secret Recipe shop is estimated to exceed 50 types of cake. Among the most popular and best-selling cakes is the best chocolate indulgence cake because it seems to be the main icon compared to other cake because it is only ice cream chocolate cake coated with Belgian and white dark chocolate and also coated with melted chocolate. Following that, there are heavier dishes such as western and spaghetti at Secret Recipe. Although Secret Recipe is well known for its cake, its western food is quite good, well priced and ideal for both teen and adult. Even though this menu comes from a western country, but the Secret Recipe uses halal ingredients that have been confirmed by Jakim in serving the food. Last but not least, Secret Recipe also provides a variety of side menu such as dessert. Usually, we finish the main meal, we need a refreshing dessert which is a dessert or also a pastry. One of the most famous is the chocolate and vanilla ice cream, which is very delicious and when compared to any other dessert, Secret Recipe offer an affordable and tasty flavor.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faizul Naim bin Ahmad and now I will presenting my slide. Okay, the pricing technique refer to as bundle pricing, involve grouping several products into a single offering and charging a single price to customer instead of charging different price for each product individually. For a business using bundle pricing, it could be advantageous to be able to show more value for the product taken together. Okay, now we take a look at the slide as a sample for set A. Okay, you will receive 2 bowl of soup and bread, 2 main courses and 2 drinks. In illustration, it is only worth about 39 ringgit 90 sen. However, in contrast to a la carte, 2 bowl of soup will cost 16 ringgit 10 sen. Then the next 2 main menu item that is such as tom yum or spaghetti bolognese, we will set you back about 46 ringgit 65 sen. So lastly, 2 beverage strawberry and orange maybe will cost about 17 ringgit 90 sen. So the total cost when added up it will be 80 ringgit 85 sen. On the other hand, customer only just need to pay 39 ringgit 90 sen for the full set of order in a set A. Client can anticipate saving about Rm 40 ringgit 74 sen instead choosing each item on the menu separately, which can take time and leave some customer unsure of what they want when they try to place their order. So the meal package allow customer to purchase an extensive menu set. Okay, that's all about my presenting. Now we continue with the next presenter. Thank you.
Today, I will start by sharing the remarkable journey of Dr. Steven Sim, the founder of Secret Recipe, and my group chose delve into the fascinating world of contracted vertical marketing system, which are create a contract among the several marketing tiers for a given product. For example, companies that have franchise use this tactic to market the overall brand in a way that is advantageous to each individual area. Dr. Steven Sim, the visionary behind Secret Recipe, launched the brand in 1997, establishing it as one of the most renowned Malaysian brands globally. His goal was to create a unique and relevant brand for Malaysians. Today, he is recognized as one of the country's most successful individual often giving talks and seminars nationwide. With over 200 branches, including 50 in other countries, employing nearly 4,000 workers, Sim ambition reaching 200 branches in Malaysia. Secret Recipe now boasts a total of 350 branches across Malaysia, with additional international presence in the Philippines, Pakistan, Brunei, China, Thailand, and Singapore. For the next slide, I will hand it over to Afifa and Irfan for further insight.
Advertising refers to any type of non-personal paid presentation and promotion of concept, product or service by a designated sponsor. For instance, commercial broadcast on radio, television, newspaper, magazine and the internet. It is the most crucial component of introducing a good novel, service or idea to the public. The most well-known type of secret recipe advertising is store advertisement, which new product released each month. Secret recipe boasts better media relation and regularly share information or promotion across all media channels. However, it also serves to increase the number of customers that the company restaurant receive. In addition, secret recipe is widely recognized for having pioneered the use of marketing and advertising to project a brand. Secret recipe mostly commercial offer RM10 of any food cake and brownies, which have helped to boost sales each year as the cake.
A sales promotion is a sort of marketing when a company runs brief advertisement to spark consumers' interest in and encourage them to purchase a good, service or other offer. By persuading prospective buyers to purchase the goods, sales promotion is an effective strategy for achieving short-term sales target. By making the product appear like a fantastic deal, it is a wonderful approach to satisfy short-term sales goals, increase short-term demand, and spread the word about the brand to the new client or markets. Sales promotion is a tactic used to temporarily increase sales by appealing to consumers' want and financial needs. Sales promotion must therefore be properly thought in out order to be successful. Customers may become accustomed to just purchasing from the business during sales if they occur too frequently. Customers will switch to the competition if the business doesn't run any promotion at all. For the premium, offering a premium is another tactic to entice customers to make purchases. The partnership between Nita Cosmetics and Secret Recipe is an intriguing combination of gastronomic treats and cosmetics. This partnership may have its roots in the idea of self-care and indulgence, fusing the opulence of Nita Cosmetic products with the delight of indulging in watering desserts from Secret Recipe. It offers a limited edition beauty line inspired by the hues and the taste of the well-liked cakes from Secret Recipe. These can be involve blushes, lip colors, and eyeshadows that mimic the hues of popular desserts. We can also make gifts set that contain cakes from Secret Recipe and cosmetics from Nita Cosmetics. This would make a wonderful gift for that someone special or a great option or for special occasions. Through this partnership, Secret Recipe employs the premium approach in order to encourage customers to enjoy both the delicious treats and beauty products. Secret Recipe also offers special discount or promotion for those who purchase both for the Nita and Secret Recipe collection and Secret Recipe cakes. The unique packaging that Nita Cosmetic creates, which drew inspiration from the branding of Secret Recipe or the style of their cakes. Fans of both brands may find the product more appealing as a result. Next, a contest to promote sales. Promotional events that offer consumers the chance to win goods, cash, or trips are called contests. Competitions are held in an effort to draw in new clients. The well-known Cakes and Cafe Secret Recipe is celebrating its 25th anniversary and is offering its devoted customers an exciting reward contest. To make the 25th anniversary celebration unforgettable, the Secret Recipe 25th anniversary spin and win plus Grand Lucky Draw promises a carnival of prizes, discounts and special offers. This essay explores the contest rules, qualifications, rewards and general effect on promoting patron engagement and loyalty. 9 different kinds of guaranteed prizes such as reward points, cash vouchers and discounts are available in spin and win component. The purpose of these instant prizes is to improve customer satisfaction and promote repeat business. The guaranteed prize vouchers are valid for the next purchase and are subject to terms and conditions. They are instantly issued to contestant. They are instantly issued to contestant via their Secret Recipe Rewards membership account. Furthermore, an astounding array of prices, including home appliances and high-tech gadgets, are up for grabs in the Grand Lucky Draw. The Proton X50 in premium passion rate, the grand prize, represent the scope of 25th anniversary celebration. Additional rewards consist of a Samsung Galaxy S20 22 Plus and a sharp 60-inch smart TV, an HP laptop, a Xiaomi robot vacuum, a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, a Philips premium air fryer, a Dyson Pure Cool air purifier, and Hamilton Beach cast iron Dutch oven. To sum up, the 25th anniversary spin and win plus Grand Lucky Draw of Secret Recipe is more than just a competition. It's a demonstration of the brand's dedication to its patrons. With a variety alluring prizes, Secret Recipe hopes that it shows the appreciation to its customer for their steadfast support during the previous 25 years. This competition serves as a lighthouse of joy, strengthening ties between the company and its devoted following. This spectacular celebration captures the essence of Secret Recipe's success as the winners are announced and prizes are given out, ensuring more enjoyable events in the years to come.
Offering discount at Secret Recipe can be strategically implemented to drive customer engagement and boost sales. Discounting method for Secret Recipe could be strategically designed to attract customer and drive sales. Here are some potential methods. For example, Secret Recipe use a percentage-based discount. Weekday special, provide a discount 50% and 25% on selected menu item or specific meal during weekdays. Monday to Tuesday, attract customer during typically slower period. Secondly, if fit amount discount, meal set discount, offer a fit discount RM 5 to 10 off on specific meal set of combo, encouraging customer to try bundle offering. Is issued a certificate of saving when they use a coupon. Coupon effectively published in specific newspaper or period code. Additionally, it can be placed or clipped into reading material. Secret Recipe additionally offer coupon and special promotion to customers. This offer aim to attract dinners and encourage visits to their outlet. The availability and type of coupon may vary based on ongoing promotion, season, or specific campaign run by Secret Recipe. This coupon and discount can help customers save on their period at Secret Recipe. For example, dress up in Jalur Gemilang clothes and say rasa betul to enjoy 21% of Secret Recipe's slide kit with the purchase of any main course of each. Direct communication with carefully choosing individual customer to gain a response right away and build long-lasting partnership. Direct marketing for Secret Recipe could involve various strategies aimed to add quickly reaching potential customer. For example, Secret Recipe use direct email, sending physically emails, flyers or coupon to a target audience in specific geographic location. Loyalty program, implementing loyalty program that reward frequent dinner with exclusive discount, freebies or early access to the menus item. Daily communication that benefit to enroll customer for thus repeat visits. For example, join the Secret Recipe reward membership program to receive more reward in addition to exciting advantages.
Lastly, to conclude, Secret Recipe has done well in the marketplace and continue to maintain a high quality product, specifically in their cakes, because they have generated the true outcomes of the target market, which is their products will provided for and how many segmentation. Besides, most of their customers are interested in going to their branch. The Secret Recipe also specifies the need for an objective map to determine a differential and positioning strategy. These include determining out a set of unique competitive advantage to establish a position. Thus, marketing plans to ensure that each of their branch is essential location for customers. So, it makes sense that Secret Recipe is growing its franchise business both domestically and internationally. Secret Recipe also offers to attract and establish the customers' go-to choice with their branch. This is all from us. Thank you.